Because I'm just worried about that thing going,
Yeah.
and I don't know how long it's going to take before they replace it.